स्टार्ट करिया ओके Good morning students. Dear students, today I will discuss algebra of matrices. Algebra of matrices. So first we have to know addition and subtraction of two matrices. Addition and subtraction of two matrices. So first we have to know how to add two matrices and how to subtract these two matrices. The first one is let A and B be two matrices of order m by n. Listen dear, A and B of two matrices of same order m by n. Dear student, here you see both A and B are of same order. Both are of same order. Then their sum A plus B is a matrix of order m by n. Here you see both matrix A and B both are of same order, that is m by n. So if you add these two A plus B, this also of order m by n, and is obtained by adding the corresponding elements of two matrices. Dear student, A is a matrix of order m by n and B is a matrix of order m by n. If the sum of A plus B is also a order of m by n and is obtained by adding the corresponding elements of two matrices. Let here you see A which is equal to, this is a matrix Aij of order m by n, and B is also a matrix which is of the form Bij and whose order is m by n. Dear student, here you see the value A which is equal to Aij, matrix of Aij of order m by n, and B which is equal to Aij of order m by n. So we have to find the value of A plus B. So A plus B is of order m by n. So that can be, this is also a matrix and that can be written as Aij plus Bij, matrix of order m by n dear, where that value of I which is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to m and j which is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to the value is equal to n. That means A plus B is also a matrix of order m by n, where I which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n and j which is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to n. Here you see very important note, the sum of two matrices is defined if sum of two matrices is defined if they are of same order dear, same order. If both are of order, then the sum which is also equal to the same order. Given example, if A which is equal to suppose 1 to minus 3 4 and B which is equal to 2 3 4 and 5. Here you see in the first case we have to find here, then find A plus B, we have to find A plus B. Here you see dear, given condition is A. A is a matrix of order 2 by 2. This is a matrix order 2. So, given condition is given A which is equal to 1 2 minus 3 4. Same again B given is 2 3 and 4 5. We find A plus B. Here you see in the first case of order 2 by 2, or we call it as a order 2. In the same case again you see in the second case the B is also a matrix of order 2 by 2. Here you see in both the case A and B are of same order. So, we have to find A plus B. That means here you can write this as a 1 2 minus 3 4 plus 2 3 4 and 5. Dear, definition I have already explained to you that the sum is obtained by adding the corresponding elements of two matrices. That means we have to add 1 with 2. That means we can write this as a here 1 plus 2. Second case is the corresponding one is 2 plus 3. Second case. Third one is minus 3 plus 4. And the next one is 4 plus 5. So, this equal to what? This equal to 3, 5, 1 and 9. Here you see A is the matrix of order 2 by 2 and B is a matrix of order 2 by 2. We have to find the value of A plus B. So, A plus B is a matrix of order 2 by 2, or it is known as A plus B is a matrix of order 2. That means of same order. Again here you see this is a square matrix dear, and this square matrix. In both the case the order of these two matrices is 2 by 2. Again the second example, take a second example. Here you see the second example. If A which is equal to 1 2 3 2 3 4 and 5. Here you see this is a matrix of order 2 by 3. That means it has 2 rows and 3 columns, and B which is equal to minus 2 4 5 3 minus 1 6. Here this one is 2 by 3 matrix dear. In the first example I have given this is a square matrix, but here you see these two are the rectangular matrix. Here these two are the rectangular matrix, means the number of rows and columns are different. So, but here you see A is a matrix of 2 by 3 and B is also a matrix of 2 by 3. Then we have to find A plus B dear. Here you see the given condition is solution is given condition is A which is equal to 1 2 3 and 3 4 5, and similar B is equal to minus 2 4 5 3 minus 1 6 dear. We have to find A plus B. First we have to see whether these two matrices are of same order or not. If these two are the same order, then only matrix addition is defined. Here you see the first matrix A, this is the order of 2 by 3. Again here you see B is a matrix of order 2 by 3. So, A plus B, we have to find A plus B 3 4 5. Again here you see plus minus 2 4 5 3 minus 1 6. This is 2 by 3 and this is also 2 by 3. So, we have to add these two. That means we have to add the corresponding elements. Here you see 1 minus of 2, 1 plus or minus 2, which is equal to minus 2. Therefore, you can write this as a 1 minus 2. Then the second case again 2 plus 4, and the third case is 3 plus 5. Again 3 plus 3, 4 minus 1, 5 plus 6 dear. Here you see, then what will the value of a plus b? This is minus 1, 6, 8, 6, 3, 11. Here you see a and b are of order 2 by 3 and the sum of these two a plus b is the order is of order 2 by 3. Next example 3, if a is equal to 2, 4, 5, 3 and b is equal to 5 minus 4. Here you see all of you whether a plus b is defined, a plus b is defined or not. Here you see here a is simply, I have already explained you, a and b are of same order, then the sum is are of same order, but here you see a is, here you see a equal to, here you see a equal to 2, 4, 5, 3. This is a square matrix of order 2, or we can call it as a, this is a matrix 2 by 2. But here you see in the second case b is equal to 5 minus 4. Dear, b is also a matrix of order 1 by 2 dear. Here you see a is of order 2 by 2, but b is a matrix of order a by 2. So, here both are of same order. In case of a summation or in case of a addition of these two, it requires these two matrices have same order, but here you see these two matrices have not the same order. Therefore, here a plus b is not defined here. एठी आमे a plus b को define करि परिबानी. a plus b is not defined. Okay. Next is subtraction, or we call it as a difference of these two matrices. Next one is difference of two matrices. Call it as a subtraction of these two matrices. Here you see a and b. Again the same one. B, the difference of two matrices means a and b are of same order, are of same order. Then we can write this here as a, this equal to a plus b minus dear. That means difference of two matrices is the sum of matrix A and minus of B. That can be written as A minus B. Again these two matrices are of same order. Here you see these two matrices are same order only when A minus B is defined. Here you see A plus minus B. That means it is A minus B is defined as the sum of the matrix A and minus B dear. Take one example. Take one example. If A which is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 and B which is equal to dear minus 1, 3, 4 and minus 3. Find, then find A minus B dear. Here you see A minus B. Again here you see given condition is given A which is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 and B which is equal to minus 1, 3, 4, minus 3. Both are of same order dear. Here you see both are of same order. Same case in case of addition, these two are the same order. Same in case of an subtraction of two matrices A and B are of same order. If you subtract these two, same. In case of a addition, you add the corresponding elements, but in case of a subtraction, you subtract the corresponding elements. That means 2, 3, 4, 5 minus minus 1, 3, 4 minus 3. Here you first you have to subtract 2 minus of minus 1. Here you see 2 minus of minus 1 is plus 1. minus of minus 1 is plus 1. Next one is 3 minus 3. In the second case, you see 4 minus 4 and this one be 5 plus 3. 5 minus of minus 3 is equal to plus 3. So, this equal to 3, 0, 0 and 8. Okay. Here you see A of order 2 by 2, B of order 2 by 2. In case of a difference of these two matrices, or we call it as a subtraction of these two matrices, A minus B are of order 2 by 2. Okay. Next is properties of matrix addition, dear. Properties of matrix addition. Properties of matrix addition. First is matrix addition is commutative, dear. Matrix addition is commutative. The first one is matrix addition is commutative. That means matrix addition is commutative. That means A and B be the two matrices of order m by n, then A plus B which is equal to B plus A, because matrix addition is commutative. If A and B are two matrices of order m by n, then dear A plus B which is equal to A. Here you see A plus B which is equal to B plus A. But in case of a subtraction, A minus B which is not equal to B minus A, dear. But here you see in case of a addition, A plus B which is B plus A. Similar in the second case, matrix addition is associative. Matrix addition is associative, dear. Here we have to consider three matrices. That means if A, B and C are three matrices of order m by n, then we can write this as A plus B plus C bracket is equal to A plus B plus C. In case of a addition, matrix addition is associative. That means if you consider three matrices A, B and C are three matrices of order m by n, then A plus B plus C which is equal to A plus B plus C. Next property is existence of additive identity, dear. Third one is existence of additive identity. Existence of additive identity. That means if you consider a matrix A which is added with a null matrix, then automatically A plus null matrix is equal to A. That means again that matrix comes. That means here you call it as a that O, or we call it as a null matrix, is known as the additive inverse. That means if A is a matrix, dear, A is a matrix of order m by n and O is a null matrix, of same order m by n, then here we can write this as a then A plus O. Here you call it as a that O is known as the null matrix. This is known as the null matrix, which is equal to A, or we can write this as a null matrix plus A dear. Here that capital O, we call it as a null matrix. Therefore, I have already mentioned in the here A is a matrix of order m by n, then the null matrix is also of order m by n. That means addition is only possible if these two are of same order. Therefore, here you call it as a that null matrix is the additive identity of matrix A dear. Next one is additive inverse. Next property is additive inverse. Number 4 is existence of additive inverse. Here you see, if A is a matrix, if A which is equal to Aij is a, here you see A is equal to Aij is a matrix of order m by n, and here you see A, here you see minus A which is equal to minus of Aij and minus A is equal to minus of Aij is a matrix of order m by n. Then we can write this as a plus minus A dear. Here you see A plus minus A which is equal to a null matrix. This is known as null matrix, or we call it as a null matrix which is also equal to minus A plus A, because I have already explained you the addition of two matrices is commutative. Therefore, here you see A plus minus A which is also equal to minus A plus A, and here you see addition of these two, and these two are the of same order, and the addition of these two is equal to the null matrix. Here you call it as a minus A is the additive inverse of A dear. This is all about the properties of matrix addition. Dear student, for CHSE students, all of you see your prescribed book, and I will solve some question regarding the matrix addition and subtraction. You see your CHSE book, exercise 4A, question number 6. Question number 6, I will solve you some question. First question, find 2 by 2 question. Find 2 by 2 matrix. Find a 2 by 2 matrix X. Question is capital X. Find 2 by 2 matrix X if capital X plus matrix 0 1 0 1 1 0 which is equal to 2 0 2 0 0 2 dear. We have to find the matrix X. Here you see solution. So, we have to find the matrix X and which is of order 2 by 2. That means, first we have to write given X plus 0 1 1 0 which is equal to 2 0 0 2. I have already explained you, automatically the required matrix are of order 2 by 2. That means, here we can write this as a capital X which is equal to dear 2 0 0 2 minus 0 1 1 0. That means, you already known the difference of two matrices. So, here we can write this as a 2 minus 0, first one is 2 minus 0, next is 0 minus 1, next one is 0 minus 1, and this one be 2 minus 0. Then what will be the value of capital X? Capital X is a matrix, 2 minus 1, minus 1, 2. There you see, this is are of order 2 by 2, and the given matrix, these two are of order 2 by 2. So, the result one, or we call it as the required matrix X, which is equal to 2 minus 1, minus 1, 2. Next question in your exercise question, question number 16, exercise question number 16, question number 16, exercise question number 16, if to matrix 2x y 1 3 plus 4 2 0 minus 1, which is equal to 8 3 1 2 dear. So, we have to find the value of here, we then find the value of x and y dear. Here you see, the given condition is here, given condition for write like this, given 2x y 1 3 plus 4 2 0 minus 1, which is equal to 8 3 1 2. You know the addition of two matrices, you know the difference of two matrices. There are different way to solve this question. Either you can add these two, then using the equality of a matrix, then you can solve it, or the easiest way to solve this question is, first we can write this as a 2xy 1 and 3, this equal to, and the right hand side is 8 3 1 2, then we can write this as a, this comes to the right hand side, minus of 4 2 0 minus 1 dear. I have already explained these two are here, you see, these two is a matrix are of order 2 by 2. That means we can write this as a 2x y 1 3, which is equal to, subtraction of these two is 8. Here you can directly you can write 8 minus 4, 8 minus 4, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2, 1 minus 0, 2. Next is minus of minus 1, minus of minus 1 is plus 1 dear. So, you can write this as a 2x y 1 3, this equal to 4 1 1 3. Dear, all of you see here, these two matrices are equal. I have already used know that if two matrices are equal, then they are, this is a condition that they are of same order and the corresponding elements of these two matrices are equal. Here you see, this is the order 2 by 2 and this is the order 2 by 2. Only if these two matrices are equal, only the corresponding elements are equal. Therefore, here you see 2x which is equal to 4 dear, here 2x which is equal to 4 and y which is equal to what? 1. So, if 2x equal to 4, then x is equal to 4 by 2. So, you can write this as a 2. Next, and y is equal to 1. Atep, the values are x which is equal to 2 and y which is equal to 1 dear. Write like this, given, first you write given, then you solve it and get x which is equal to 2 and y which is equal to 1. Next question I will solve in your exercise 4a. Next question is question number 26, exercise 4a, question number 26. Find a and b where 2a plus b which is equal to 2 2 5 5 4 3 1 1 4 and a minus 2b which is equal to 1 6 5 5 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 2 dear. Here you see we have to solve these two matrices and find the value of A and B. Here you see first we have to write the given condition, given solution of this. First we have to write the given condition 2A plus B is equal to, here you write 2A plus B equal to 2 2 5 5 4 3 1 1 4 dear. Next the second one is A minus 2B which is equal to 1 6 5 5 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 2. This is suppose equation number 1 and this one be equation number 2 dear. So, from these two relation we have to find the value of A and B. Again you see in the first equation this one be B, but here you see this one be minus 2B. If you multiplying 2 here, then add these two equation, then only this B part cancelled out. Therefore, in multiplying equation 1 into 2 dear, here you see equation number 1 into 2, then the left hand side reduces to 4A plus 2B which is equal to 4 4 10 10 8 6 2 2 8. Very easy question, but do it with a little concentration, therefore, there is no mistake, any mistake. Here you see multiplying 2 on both the sides, this reduces to 2 into 2 4 4 10 10 8 6 2 2 8. This is equation number suppose 3. Here you see dear, you see this one be the minus 2B, but here this one be the plus 2B. If you add these two equations, then the B term cancelled out. That means adding 2 and 3, relation 2 and 3 we get. Here you see minus 2B and plus 2B, these two cancel, rest is A plus 4A which is equal to 5A dear. In the right hand side you see this is a matrix of order 3 by 3 and this one is also a matrix of order 3 by 3. Then we add these two matrices. Here you see 1 6 5 5 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 2 plus 4 4 10 10 8 6 2 2 8 dear. Here you see, so 5A is equal to so in the right hand side we have to add these two matrices, that means we have to add the corresponding elements. So 1 plus 4 is 5, directly you can write plus 5, 6 plus 4 10, 5 plus 10 15, we can write like this 15. Next one is 5 plus 10 15, 2 10 minus 1 plus 6 5. Next one is minus 2 plus 2 dear, this one be 0. Again minus 2 plus 2, this one be 0. Next 2 plus 8 and this value is equal to what? 10. Here you see, then what will be the value of A? Then A which is equal to, we can write this as A which is equal to 1 by 5 of what? 5 10 15 15 10 5 0 0 10. We know that here 1 by 5 is a scalar dear, that scalar is multiplied with each element in the matrix. If you multiplying 1 by 5 in each element, then the value reduces to A which is equal to, if you multiplying 1 by 5 with 5, then this value is equal to 1. Next is 10 into 1 by 5, this value is equal to 2. 15 by 5, this value is equal to 3. Again here you see this value is equal to 3 and this value is equal to 2 and this value is equal to 1. This one is 0, 0 and this value is equal to 2. So, the value of A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1 and 0, 0, 2. So, again we have to find the value of B. Either you substitute the value of A in equation number 1 or in equation number 2, then only we get the value of B. If you substitute the value of A in 1 from 1, here you write from 1 to A plus B is equal to 2, 2, 5, 5, 4, 3, 1, 1, 4 dear. So, you know the value of A, here you substitute 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 0, 0, 2 plus B which is equal to 2, 2, 5, 5, 4, 3, 1, 1, 4 dear. Then again the 2 which is multiplied with each element of the matrix, then it reduces to 2, 4, 6, 6, 4, 2, 0, 0 and this value is equal to 4. If you multiplying to 2, 4, then this one 6, 6, 4, 2 and this value is equal to 4 plus B equal to 2, 2, 5, 5, 4, 3, 1, 1, 4. So, then we have to find the value of B. So, B which is equal to dear, B which is equal to, here you see B equal to, we can write this as a B which is equal to 2, 2, 5, 5, 4, 3, 1, 1, 4 minus, here you see minus 2, 4, 6, 6, 4, 2, 0, 0, 4. Here you see these two matrices are of same order and that order is 3 by 3. We can subtract these two matrices, then you can write this as a B which is equal to 2, again the corresponding elements 2 minus 2 is 0. Here you see dear 2 minus 4 minus 2, 5 minus 6 minus 1, again 5 minus 6 minus 1, 4 minus 4 0, 3 minus 2 1. In the third row again 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 0 is 1, 4 minus 4 is 0 and this is the value of B. Here you see the value of A is equal to this one and the value of B is equal to this. Okay. Next class I will discuss the matrix multiplication. Thank you very much.